Ano po yung magiging kaibahan ng magiging operasyon po ninyo matapos nitong direktiba ni Pangulong Marcos dito sa inyong pag-address dito sa hoarding and illegal importation? Magkikreate po ba kayo ng task force? Magiging massive yung inyong operation laban dito?
Well, as per the directive of the President, ang gagawin ko po natin is we will validate all warehouses that are storing imported rice. And then, upon validation, we will then issue, again, I will then issue letters of authority to conduct inspection on these warehouses and to validate whether these imported articles or imported rice that are stored in these warehouses are paid with the correct duties and taxes.
Sir, about the investigations sa loob, sa Bureau of Customs because of this allegedly illegal importation, may gagawin din po ba kayong ganun?
Well, if we find people to be involved in the release of illegally or smuggled rice, then we will file cases against them.
Sir, matanong lang po kumusta po yung rate ng enforcement ninyo against smugglers? Kasi matagal na pong naririnig namin kay Presidente na hulihin, kasuhan yung mga smuggler. So far, sir, saang punto na kayo dito sa ginagawa nyong enforcement sa mga smuggler? Natukoy na ba ang mga ito? May nakasuhan na ba? Ano po yung lagay ng mga kaso na yan?
Okay, as of currently po, ang mga nakumpiska total ng apprehended contrabands or smuggled goods is totaling about mga 30 billion mahigit na po. And this is the highest so far for in the last 5 years. Pag year-on-year basis po ang pag-uusapan. Now, doon po sa mga nakasuhan, and tuloy-tuloy naman po kaming nagpa-file ng kaso. And now, we are now in close collaboration and coordination with DOJ para po mapabilis yung pagsampa ng kaso at pag-file ng charges against the smugglers po na nahuli natin, na-identify natin.
Apo, pwede pang nating pangalanan kung sino man na-identify na smugglers?
I don't have the data here with me po. So, it's still under preliminary investigation po sa DOJ para sa mga cases na na-file. So, siguro po upon filing of the charges po, then you can identify po them.
Follow-up from Chona Yu of
Sir,
Inquirer.
just a quick follow-up on Tuesday's question.
Can I just answer the amount dun sa kon po? It's about, as of August 26 po, it's about 16.8 billion na po na sisingil natin
Nasisingil.
from imported rice.
Sir, quick follow-up on Tuesday's question, sir. What's the conviction rate doon sa mga kaso na sinasampa ninyo? Meron ba?
I am aware po na may na-convict na, but I just don't know the conviction rate po.
Pero sir, may mga naa-absuelto po ba yung mga kaso?
For the current status po ng mga pending or ongoing and trials in our courts, this is closely being monitored by the legal service or the Batas, which is the primary prosecutors po of these smuggling cases is led by the Department of Justice. We are the ones who are providing all of the information and evidences that are being utilized in prosecuting these cases. So, tulong-tulong po ito ng Bureau of Customs and the Department of Justice.
Ilan na po sir ang na-convict?
We will be getting the data po and we will be submitting the updated status of these current cases and the convictions.
Okay. Cathy Valente, Manila Times.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon po. Ay, good morning, sorry. Sir, tanong lang namin kung ilang kaso na po yung na-file against the hoarders or smugglers at ano to po yung mga status nila, kung puro ongoing lang po ba. Kasi parang since last year pa po yata nagbigay ng directive din si President at saka sabi rin ni Secretary Bersamin na it will be filed soon. So, ilan na po ang kasong na-file? May we get ba the exact date, number, or data? Thank you.
Wala po akong data na hawak ngayon about the exact. But then again, I will check with Legal Service and Batas and give the details to USEC Daphne.
Pero sir, meron bang mga involved na government officials sa mga hoarding and smuggling? Meron po ba?
Investigations are still being conducted po. So we wait for the result of the investigation po.
How long, sir, ang ating investigation? Kasi parang matagal na, parang tumatagal lalo.
Well, pagdating po, pag meron ho na build up na kaso ang Bureau of Customs, then we submit all the evidences with the DOJ, and it will be DOJ who will help us in filing the cases po. So sila po yung nagko-collate lahat yan at tinitingnan kung yung ebidensya natin ay sapat para makasuhan natin yung mga dapat kasuhan.
Okay. We can get updates from the Department of Justice. We can arrange for that. Nestor?
The President has repeatedly said and warned to hoarders that their days are numbered. How long will we wait to be able to see results of these investigations? And what is BOC's commitment to the President and to the public that these cases will finally be resolved and magkakaroon po tayo ng conviction?
Well, pagkatapos po ng pag-uusap kanina sa Malacanang, sa utos po ni Presidente Marcos, ngayon po nagpa-send na ako ng mga tao to check on the possible warehouses kung saan po nakastore mga ito. And then, pag na-validate na natin at nakita natin na wala pong mga pinagbayaran yung mga nakikita natin sa bodega, then we will confiscate and then we will identify all the owners of this smuggled rice. And katulad po na sinabi ko, maganda naman po ang coordination namin with DOJ at may assurance po na tutulungan kaming pabilisin po yung pag-file ng mga kaso.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.